Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. I am obviously not in my room right now. I am in a car, currently on my way to the airport right now. My uncle's taking me to the airport, but he stopped by to do a job really quick. Don't mind if you guys see him come in and out, but I really wanted to show you guys a little what's in my airport bag. This is my little airport bag. So this bag is from Sweetly. It is brown with some pink polka dots. I also really like that the bag has organization inside. It has different little compartments so you can keep your bag nice and organized. And of course I have my little bunny jelly cat that Lorenz got me. I always put it in all of my bags. This is what we have in my first little pocket. I have some cuticle oil because the UK is really cold right now and you always need to have your cuticles hydrated, guys. This helps so much with hangnails and like your dead skin. To go with that, I have my hand cream. This is one of my favorite ones. I believe this one is from Bath and Body Works. It makes your hands super hydrated, but not like that greasy, sticky, gross feeling. It feels so nice. And in that same pocket, I have my Laneige lip mask. I recently got my lashes done because I felt like it would help so much with time and getting ready. They gave me this little lash spoolie, so I have it in that as well. Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer in Champagne Toast. The airport is dirty, so we need to have our hand sanitizer ready. This is my favorite pressed powder. It's the MAC Studio Fix. It has a good amount of coverage. I think I mentioned this in my videos before. This is like a good powder, even just wearing it on its own without any foundation. I have a little silk scrunchie in here as well. I don't really like using hair ties anymore. I prefer using scrunchies. And I got a pack of scrunchies on Amazon. Other pocket right here on this side, I have some cash because I might want to buy a coffee or something at the airport. My little hairbrush. I love having a hairbrush. I like that I can fit my full sized hairbrush in the bag. I randomly have this little Octo Buddy thing attached to my laptop. I don't know why. I have my pill case in case I get a stomach ache when I start my period for my cramps. I have some sleeping pills in here as well, which I don't know if I can take through TSA. I'm pretty sure I could. And I got it on Amazon. I also have some eardrops in here. Every time I fly, guys, I always get the worst ear pains. They always hurt so bad. So in case that happens again, I have my eardrops ready. And this fits perfectly in the little organizer, which I really like. I have my wallet, and this is not a real Goyard wallet. It's from New York. I forgot the street that it's on, but it's where like a bunch of people sell a bunch of designer. I feel like it's still in really a good condition. I think it was only like $20. I have my little passport cover in here as well. Can you guys hear the airplane? A little lint roller because I am wearing an all black hoodie and sweatpants, and I already have a bunch of lint, so I need to make sure I have a lint roller with me as well. I have my Kindle in here. I feel like I only read in planes, and I have 2 books downloaded, so let's see if I can get through them this whole trip. I have my charger in here as well, even though when I get to the UK I'm not going to be able to use the outlet, but I'm going to be in the airport for a while and also on my way back. I want to make sure I have a charger no matter what. And then I have 2 pouches. A little Brandy Melville polka dotted makeup bag. It's so cute. I love it so much. It has a little mirror, so if I want to get ready really quick before meeting my boyfriend's parents, I can do my makeup really quick while still looking at myself in the mirror too. Has this little magnetic part too. This lady and this kid are like staring at me, but it's also magnetic, which I really like. I mostly have a lot of lip balm, setting spray, sunscreen. I have a razor because my mustache grows back in like an hour. Little powder. This girl told me that when she was traveling internationally and to Europe that they made her throw her makeup away because it was over like the certain amount that is required compared to the US. I don't know if that made sense, but I was really paranoid and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put a few makeup products in here and just pray for the best. I have my Sweetly bag. I don't know if the lighting will focus. I was trying to focus the camera and it fell. In here I just have some cameras, the case of the camera that I'm filming with right now. I have my microphones, the tripod for my camera. I'm so annoyed because I forgot the adapter to this so I can put it on my camera. So I can't even use this tripod, which is really annoying. I have an SD card in here. I have a digital camera in here. And I'm going to give this one to my boyfriend because he got me the Canon G7X. This was a really good camera and I used it for a while and it still works. So I have this little adapter and it's for my digital camera. I just plug in the SD card right here and plug this into my phone so then I can transfer the photos really quick. My camera does have Wi-Fi, but I feel like using the adapter is just so much quicker. The battery charger to my camera, and of course it fits my whole entire laptop. Guys, my heart sank because I thought that I didn't bring my digital camera and my AirPods, but they're on the other side of the bag. It just has so many compartments, and I like this one right here because it has a zipper so you can keep this compartment closed. This is my new digital camera. I'm really excited to use it for my trip. I'm pretty sure you guys are not new to this camera. I'm super excited to take pictures with it. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna put my Instagram somewhere over here. You guys can see what pictures I take on my trip. I'm super excited. And it came with this little case. I'm hoping that this will keep it safe. I have my AirPods. This bag is probably gonna get so much more packed with snacks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for being nosy and wanting to see what's in my airport bag. I'm really excited to post some travel vlogs for you guys. I'm gonna be going to Italy and Turkey. See you guys in my next video. Bye!